In this video, we're looking at finding the equation of a line. So we use a range of formulas that I've covered in other videos and skills to help us find these equations. So on your screen, you can see a line. We need to find the equation of the line. So the first thing I like to do is pick 2 points on there and then write those coordinates down. So obviously we've already been given 2 coordinates, and the first one is 0, 2, and then the next one is 2, 4. All right, always label these as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now what we can do is find the gradient using m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We substitute our values in, so my y2 is 4, so it's 4 minus my y1 over my x2, take away my x1. Alright, at that point we get a gradient of 1, and now we can look at doing our intercept, because the form we're going to demonstrate this one in is y equals mx plus b, where m equals your gradient and b is your y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis, which we already have. We have that 2 up there. So this point here is your y-intercept. So now we have m over here, where we know m is 1. We know the y-intercept is 2. So I can go y equals 1x. You don't really technically need to put the 1 there, so I'll get rid of that and put x, because there's only one x, plus 2, because that was my y-intercept. So here we're going to do it again with this point. Start by writing down your coordinates. So we have -1, 0, and 0, -3. Label these as x1, y1, x2, y2. Write down your gradient formula. Oh. Substitute your values in. So we get -3 over -1. Those negatives cancel out, and we're left with 3 divided by 1, which is 3. So again, we're going to use our gradient intercept formula. Remember, b is my y-intercept. So we know y equals 3x take away 3, because remember the sign matters.